Let's look at how to use the autofill feature in Excel. This feature allows you to fill cells with data that follows a pattern. So let's look at examples. Say you want to write serial numbers, say from 1 to 20. So type 1 in the first cell, click on enter, type 2, highlight the two cells, and these dots you see at the edge, bottom edge of what you have highlighted, that's the autofill feature. Press down the left mouse button against these dots and drag down. That will give you the rest of the numbers you want in this series. Now, not just so any pattern of numbering at all, whether it's 2, 4, 6, 8 pattern you want, just type out the first two numbers in the series and highlight the two numbers, drag down these dots with your mouse, and you get the rest of the numbers. So not just numbers, dates also. See, I need the dates in January, starting from 1st of January. So I'll type 1/1/2024. Now, dragging down this autofill feature gives me the rest of the dates till whatever date you want. It fills up the rest of the dates for me. Now, not just that, any data you know as a pattern, the autofill feature can help you get the rest of the data easily. So say you want to get the series of data in the form of day 1 and day 2 and so on. So just click on that first data in the series, press down the left mouse button against the dots and drag. That will give you the rest of the days that you want in that series. So any type of data you know as a pattern, you can use the autofill feature to get the rest of the data. So days of the week, Monday for example, you don't have to start typing one by one, just drag down, you get the rest of the days. Months of the years, starting with January, type the first one, then drag down from these dots at the edge, bottom edge, and get the rest of the months in the year. So any data at all, say okay, week 1, you want to type out series of data in the pattern of week 1, week 2 and so on, just type the first one and drag down. That will give you the rest of the weeks, that will give the rest of the data in the series. You can also do horizontally. Say I want it to be this way, horizontally, week 1 horizontally. You can do that also horizontally, not just vertically.